Let's make these amazing beef skewers. I made them in the air fryer. You can definitely make them in your oven or charcoal grill or even in a pan. It doesn't matter, but try and make them. They're really good. So everyone asked me when I made the chicken skewers that how I cut my chicken or meat. So this is how I do it. To make these beef skewers the best ones, I'm using this instant Indonesian coconut milk based spice mix. It comes with the spice mix and the coconut oil as well. So I'm using a tablespoon and a half of that. I'm gonna put the details of the seller in my description box below and it will be tagged as well. It's a small business, but I think we should always support small businesses more. Then add all the remaining ingredients in the beef and I marinated it about for 4 hours in the fridge. Then this is how I make my skewers. Soak your bamboo skewers always so they don't burn. And then I kind of fold all the meat strips on the skewers. They cook really fast, they look pretty, and they cook evenly. So now I'm placing all of the skewers in my air fryer basket and I'm gonna air fry these. Now I always make some stir fried onions to go with my chicken or beef skewers or anything. So this is how I make it. I coat the onions with everything that is written on the screen. Set them aside. Once the skewers are cooked from one side, I flip them and cook them from the other side as well. Once the skewers are cooked from both sides, add the onions and air fry for about 5 minutes and that's it. Enjoy with a naan and some chutney.